You for the heel shifter, start by marking the initial position with you should wipe right off, just above a marker from the chrome, and then remove this guy. There's no thread lock or anything. It came right off very easily using a T. What the hell this is? Yes, using a Torx one, right? Then adjusted small one tooth, very minor adjustment. That's all you need, otherwise it's going to stick up too much over there. Then put it back, tighten it. First finger tighten it, sit down the back if you want, test it, and then tighten it back up and wipe this off later.